Your brand new iPhone deserves the best protection, and the iLune 3-pack screen protector plus 3-pack camera lens protector has you covered. Don't take risks with your iPhone. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
Welcome to WatchWire News. I'm your host today. If you're thinking that Apple's latest smartwatch redesign isn't a big deal, think again, because we've got an amazing deal on the Apple Watch Series 8 in renewed premium condition, starting at just $192.78 for the 41 model and $203.99 for the 44 model. That's a huge saving of up to 11% off the regular price. But wait, there's more. Bosch Icon windshield wiper blades are also on sale with discounts starting at 11%. And if you're in the mood for some grilling fun, Weber Spirit grills are available now for just $399. That's a steal considering this is one of their best-selling models. Apple fans rejoice because today is your chance to snag some fantastic deals on Apple devices. The M4 MacBook Air 13-inch starts at just $949, while the M4 MacBook Air 15-inch can be yours for $1,139. But if you're looking for something new and exciting, check out the brand new Apple Watch Ultra starting at a significantly reduced price of $999. That's over $200 off the regular retail. But don't forget about Beats Pill waterproof portable Bluetooth speakers. They're available now for just $99.95, making them an affordable accessory to go with your new smartwatch. Or perhaps you'd like to stay connected on the go? Look no further than Google Pixel 9 AI-powered smartphones, starting at just $629.99. Last but certainly not least, we have the powerful Vitamix Explorian blender in renewed premium condition for just $269.95. That's a significant saving of up to 16% off the original price. The LG C3 OLED TV and Samsung 70-inch Q60D smart TVs are also on sale with discounts starting at 20%. So, which one will you be picking up today?